So that's what I'm using to suck out the oil.
Look at this guy. Our engineer up here.
But yep, so that spark plug right there has a bunch of oil in it. You gotta make sure there's not oil. And just like that oil is gone.
Just like that thing is perfect.
That one right there. And I'm gonna just take this one out too. No, that one is supposed to have oil, so yeah, just those. I needed to replace my gasket because it was like the rubber went off. Yeah, but that's all for this, and then twist out those.
Okay.
Yeah, so we good.
This little flashlight.
Now it's time to remove the
Look at that setup.
sparks.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so right here what I got is the premium spark plug for the Ford Escape 2006, and I just took out the old ones. About to put in the new ones, and here we go. Yeah, so I just opened these. I ordered them on Amazon. They weren't that expensive. But yeah, my car been needing new sparks, and I'm out here replacing them. That's the other one. There should be one more that I have not removed yet. That one. So I'm gonna show you guys. This twist. I'm using hold on, let me see which one it is. This is the 8mm. These boys are not friendly, so you're gonna have to twist them. I'll show you what it looks like after the old one is out.
This guy.
That's the old one. See how greased up it is? Let me bring it more to this. It's a little flashlight. It's old, nasty looking. Needed to be replaced. Poking out. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna screw all these up, then I'm gonna put back the gasket, and then we hopefully it can start.